Everyone thinks the best-selling roof pitch for solar panels is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, RV Poswer Adjustable Tilt Mount. First up is the upgraded 47 in 4 sets adjustable solar panel tilt mount brackets by RV Poswer, priced at $129.99. What caught my eye is its impressive flexibility and durability. If you want a reliable, adjustable solution for your solar panels, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The anodizing process makes it resistant to corrosion and abrasion, so it'll last you years without rusting. Plus, it can be adjusted from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to find that perfect angle to maximize sunlight exposure. That can significantly boost your energy efficiency, and with over 118 reviews giving it a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear people are happy with it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. More efficient solar panels mean lower energy bills and faster returns on your investment. Now, some people complained about the initial installation being tricky. Here's the thing, though, once you get past the learning curve, it's really straightforward and the installation process is tool-free. If you're someone who enjoys DIY projects, you'll appreciate the challenge. This is perfect for you if you need a robust and adjustable solar panel mount for varied applications like RVs or boats. Skip this one if you're looking for something incredibly lightweight, as it does have a bit of heft. Now, if the RV Poswer's installation challenge worries you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Renagi Adjustable Mount. Next up is the Renagi Adjustable Solar Panel Tilt Mount, priced at just $32.99. I was drawn to its simplicity and affordability. If you want a straightforward mounting solution for your solar panels, this is worth a serious look. This mount supports panels up to 150 watts and is perfect for flat surfaces, making it versatile for various installations. The lightweight aluminum alloy ensures easy transportation and installation, which is a big deal if you're setting it up on a roof. Plus, with more than 3,100 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear this product has a happy customer base. Here's why this matters for you. The easy setup can save you time and money, allowing you to get your solar system running quickly without a lot of fuss. Now, some users did mention that it might not hold up as well in extreme weather compared to heavier options. But here's the thing, if you live in an area that doesn't see harsh conditions, this mount is perfect for you. It's lightweight and meant for those who want to keep things simple. This is great if you're looking for an efficient, budget-friendly option for your solar setup. Skip this one if you need something that's built for extreme weather durability, as it may not hold up long-term in those conditions. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing durability. Product number 3, AMP Solar Bracket Kit. Now let's talk about the AMP Solar Panel Bracket Kit, which is priced at $29.99. What stood out to me was the comprehensive installation set it comes with. If you want a complete kit for your solar panels, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes everything you need for installation, from rails to clamps and screws. The aluminum alloy construction is both lightweight and tough, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor conditions. It can handle extreme weather, which is essential if you want your solar setup to last. The innovative 2-hole end clamp design allows you to choose the right fit for your solar panels, which is a huge plus for versatility. With a 4.6-star rating from 226 reviews, buyers clearly appreciate this kit's thoroughness. Here's why this matters for you. Having all the components in one package simplifies the process and saves you from extra trips to the hardware store. However, some users found the instructions a bit vague. Here's the thing though, once you watch a quick installation video, it's much clearer. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts willing to put in a little effort. This is ideal if you want a comprehensive kit that makes solar panel installation straightforward. Skip this one if you prefer a more streamlined option without all the extra components. Now, if the AMP's instructions frustrated you, this next product might just surprise you with its ease of use. Product number 4, Taike Solar Roof Mount Kit. Next is the Taike Solar Panel Mounting Brackets Kit priced at $45.98. What caught my attention was its adaptability for different solar panel sizes. If you want a flexible mounting solution, this is definitely worth a serious look. This kit supports 1/4 pieces of solar panels, perfect for your solar needs, whether you have small or larger setups. The anodized aluminum construction offers excellent corrosion resistance, which means durability in the long run. With the included waterproof sealant and water drain clips, it helps maintain efficiency by allowing dust and ash to wash away with rain. Plus, it's rated 4.6 stars based on 64 reviews. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to accommodate different panel sizes means you won't need to buy another set if you upgrade your system. Some complaints have mentioned that it might be overkill for smaller setups. But honestly, if you think you might expand in the future, this could save you a lot of hassle later on. This is fantastic for anyone who anticipates expanding their solar setup over time. Skip it if you have no plans to grow your solar energy needs, as it might feel excessive. Alright, that wraps up a strong option. But the last one might be the most straightforward of the bunch. Product number 5, Link Solar Mounting Kit. Finally, we have the Link Solar Roof Mounting Kit priced at just $24.99. What really stood out to me is how easy this kit makes installation. If you're looking for a quick and efficient solution for mounting your solar panels, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes complete with everything you need for a side-by-side installation of 2 solar panels. It fits standard framed panels, and the design ensures a secure connection that can resist wind and weather. The heavy-duty construction means you won't have to worry about durability. With a 4.6-star rating from 115 reviews, users appreciate how straightforward it is. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who wants to DIY your solar setup quickly, this kit simplifies the process without compromising quality. Here's the thing though, if you have standard framed panels, this kit is perfect for you. This is ideal if you need a no-fuss installation for your solar panels. Skip this one if your panels don't fit the standard sizing, as you may need a different mounting solution. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these great options. So to wrap up, we've seen some fantastic options for roof pitch mounts for solar panels. The RV Posware offers flexibility, the Renagi is budget-friendly, and provides a comprehensive kit. Taike adapts to various sizes, and Link Solar simplifies installation. Depending on your needs, there's definitely something here for everyone.